Yeah. Hey, I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus. I'm a star, so I put a new shine on my penis. I'm moonwalking with my Christian Louboutin.
Welcome to today's video. We're gonna start
the video.
No, wiring.
Wiring.
Today. We got a lot of wiring to do.
Yep.
Got a chassis harness, engine harness, and look at this. Look at that. There's our gym sport harness sitting there. That's what I'm gonna start with. But check that out. Every hose is on. Well, not every hose. I still gotta do the vacuum reference for the fuel pressure regulator. You know where that's going?
Right in there.
Right in there. There is gonna be a problem wiring, dude. There's always a problem wiring.
Right. What are we doing?
Right there.
Oh.
That's gonna be our problem. The EMS valve cover is way higher than the stock one, and this line hits it.
Oh, I see.
So you got a plan for that?
Yeah, I got a plan for that.
What's the
plan?
plan?
For everything, dude.
Yeah, we do?
Yeah.
So what's the plan for that?
The plan is just to make that thing fit.
Alright, I like that plan.
Yeah. And we're stressing out today, big time.
Why?
Because, dude, we're caught up on videos.
Oh yeah, we're
When
coming.
they see this on Sunday,
Happy 4th.
yeah, it's 4th of July today. Not today, it's Saturday.
Yeah.
Today's Friday, so Thursday.
Yeah.
So
But we're doing it our way.
that's right. Dude, real quick, what you got going on in the back?
Yeah. I started a little bit in the back here. Bam, son!
That's a hell of
A little smack of that 40.
yeah, right in the rear
That
end.
red 40. It's orange, but
Well, it's gonna be red after you smack it enough, dude.
we don't endorse red 40 around here. We don't drink that.
Right.
Don't drink that. Especially if you want to drive a 40. Because you ain't gonna be around to drive a 40 if you're drinking red 40.
And if you want good bowel movements.
Well, that might tear you up.
Yeah.
I just put, you know, a little bit of action here. Put little rings on these wires, and this is part of the wiring specialties dealio. I don't know what you call this.
Wires.
Yeah, and there's some weird stuff going on with this.
Right. What do you got?
This is like, I don't even know. But
That looks
just,
like
they plug in here, and they just hang out.
Oh, is it like a relay or something?
I guess. Yeah, there's just two of them. They just hang out, have a party, get a little Coronas in the back,
Right.
and that's all they do.
That's fair.
Yeah.
We should figure out what those are.
Well, it doesn't matter because we just plug them in. We don't got to figure out what they do.
Yeah.
As long as they work, you know?
Right. Yeah, that's fair.
That's the quote of the day.
Yeah.
You don't got to know what they do as long as it works.
Right. Yeah.
And then I was kind of going through the wiring specialties harness, trying to lay out where it all goes. It's pretty simple dealio. There's just a couple things off the wire, like the screen. And off to wire the gym sport into this so that you can just
Make your own decisions by pressing buttons.
Yep. They do got a really nice battery relocation kit. But I gotta figure out where the battery goes. So I'm gonna steal the battery out of this. But we're gonna start this up today because we're gonna start it up in a while.
Yeah, it needs to be
It
started.
doesn't need to be started before I jack the battery out of it.
Right.
And put it in here.
Oh, so we gotta do that last then.
What?
Start this thing.
I mean, we can start it relatively soon. What time is it?
Well, we gotta do a lot of work. We don't want to gas
9:30.
ourselves out, you know?
Yeah, this thing's on methanol. It'll gas us out.
So.
But I just had to show this shirt off real quick. Look at this. Dude.
It's my meat.
Dude, you need to hit the pool.
What?
You need to hit the pool.
I do, dude.
that is a crazy contrast.
Do you think there's like cardboard or white paper under there, dude?
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm pretty white.
That's nuts. All right,
All
so
American.
all American. Here's what we got going on down here. So I got all these vacuum ports, obviously. They came with this nice manifold. And I just put the map sensor on there. I think that's what that is. And then this is the vacuum reference for the fuel pressure regulator. So everything on this motor is now completely sealed off, and we can put fluids in. We can fluid this up. We can fill her with fluids.
Dude, this thing's ready to fire up today.
I don't know if we can get it fired up today because I don't have coil packs.
Damn.
But that's a simple auto parts run at your local auto parts store. Shout out O'Reilly's. Please sponsor us. We would love you.
Yeah, dude.
We would love you. We do love you.
How much money will they give us?
We don't need the money. We just need the fluids for free.
We're gonna need a lot more than that.
The grand reveal. Jim Sport wiring harness for a Link ECU. Shout out Jim. Does it get more simple than that?
That's pretty simple.
That's actually really simple, dude.
I might be able to figure that one out.
Oh, plug and play.
Damn.
I mean, that is some American quality stuff right there.
Oh yeah.
You don't get that anywhere else.
Nope. Especially, dude.
Shout out America.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start wiring this bad boy up, and dude, I think you can even start the car with their harness.
Yeah.
Without the whole chassis harness thing too.
That's good.
How crazy is that?
So we should make that the plan then.
So like we could start it today.
Oh,
This.
let's go do that.
Yeah. Hey, I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus.
It's lunchtime already. It's actually not. It's only 10:36. But we got something special in the works today for lunch. It's another cooking segment. We had our all beef American dogs last time with the smoked mac, and it was not the move.
Smoked bacon, smoked mac, smoked dog.
That was terrible, dude.
Yeah.
It was so greasy.
We smoked ourselves out, dude. It was not a good deal.
No.
But
We learned our lesson.
Today's lunch is, we're eating like athletes today, dude.
Oh yeah.
Because we are athletes.
We are athletes. I mean, look at it. Pull the meat out of the fridge. Dude, let's show what's going on here. That's gonna be some cold meat. This fridge is something else, let me tell you.
It's gonna have to sit out for a while.
They don't make fridges like this no more. Westinghouse. I don't even know what that is. Look at those. You know what that is?
Well, USDA choice. Ribeye.
Yeah. It's honestly a great thickness because that fat will really crisp up and...
A little marble action.
Oh, man. Hallelujah.
And
God bless America and happy 4th.
we're gonna split together an avocado.
Ooh,
Good steaks.
look at those cuts. Wow, what a toss. Wow. He was playing with his meat.
That's right. Well,
Golly, I'm about to hit a vacuum after this. This is the most reckless seasoning I've ever seen in my
you
life.
gotta get a good spread, dude.
Holy smokes.
It's all about getting a good spread and eat it.
That's how you treat your meat. Oh, perfect. That's going to be a great sear. You can do a little crosshatch?
Huh?
A little crosshatch?
What do you mean?
There we go. We had a little curl up action, but I mean, look at the juice on that.
Little curl up action, dude.
Look at the juice. It's definitely got an upward arch, but they look good, and we had the grill a little too hot. We've hardly got anything done today at all, but that's okay. We made some meat.
Yeah,
And it's 4th of July weekend.
Yeah, we're partying, dude.
4th of July weekend. It doesn't matter what we get done,
That's right.
but we're trying to get it done.
We're gonna get stuff done today.
Yeah.
Don't you worry.
It's, you know, we're a little hungry. Check that out. So, don't hate because the steak is a little overcooked. We know what we're doing. We just didn't know what we were doing with the Ninja wood fire. It got a little hot. That's why we got a little upward arch.
Yeah, but you don't need to know what it's doing as long as it works.
As long as it works, just, I mean, it looks great either way. Who wouldn't want to eat that for lunch? Here's what I'm doing. So I fed it through here, and I don't like the way that looks. I don't like how it has to come so far across the bay to get to everything it needs to get to. So unfortunately, I'm gonna smoke a hole where we welded, and then got this fancy little billet guy that'll go right down there against the firewall. This guy come through there, back here, you won't even see it coming out. Sometimes you don't see it coming.
Yeah.
And then I can hide all these wires for the motor, and you won't even know it's there.
Yeah, you don't like how it lays
No.
in the bay.
And the wiring specialties harness also has to come out right here. And I don't want both of these jammed in there. You don't want two looms in one hole. We'll be right back.
So I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm moonwalking, but my Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking moon rock, shawty, and I feel it seeding.
steak and avocado. Feeling good.
Wow, I feel great.
I feel really, really good.
I don't feel fucking stuffed or bloated or nothing. I just feel satisfied.
I feel so good. I just smoked a hole in this bay and didn't even think twice about it.
You just went for it and you executed it.
My way.
With perfection. That's how we do it.
That's how we do it. So obviously it'll be the other side, but this will be right here. Gotta smoke 2 more holes.
I'm a star, so I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm on walking, but my Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking more rock, shorter than I feel it ceiling. I'm in Uranus right now, I think I seen it.
Here's what we got going down. We got our nice billet pass-through going now. Billet. Got the harness ran through.
Sorry.
No, you're good, dude.
Yeah.
Just beat it.
Yeah.
Just beat it. And I took my time. I got all the wires kind of laid out where they need to be.
All right.
So we did have to bend this fuel line. We did do a little test. Did not leak. But we'll find out when we start it up because that makes some pressure, dude. Dude, that's like 200,000 PSI.
And it's fuel.
And it's fuel.
That's not what you want to spray on your bay.
No. Anything else can.
Yeah.
Except oil.
Right.
And fuel.
Right.
Anything else though.
Yeah.
Anything.
Didn't really have an option though.
Dude, hey, anything can spray this down. So anyway, I got all the wires kind of laying where they're gonna go. I still need to get coil packs and zip ties, but I don't think it looks that bad.
I think it looks pretty good.
You know, wiring usually kind of ugly stuff up, but I think we're gonna be in the clear.
Yeah.
Especially where we put the harness now, because instead of coming across from the left side, it's just kind of centered. Keeps it all behind the motor. You don't see the engine harness really at all, besides the few wires we'll have up here and down here. And that's what I'm talking about.
Boom. From the
Is that
land.
what you're talking about?
It's from the land down under.
That's from the land down under.
From the land down under.
And I'm gonna toss that billet dipstick on real quick because it's driving me nuts.
Yeah, let's do that.
And it's also double O-ringed,
Jeez.
so you don't blow it out.
Hell yeah. That's like double rubber, dude.
So I'm gonna play with my dipstick a little bit, get it blacked out, and
Yeah.
here's our stock Damon Motorsports DM black billet. All you gotta do, knock the pin out of the stock one. They already got the pin hanging out for you. Boom, bop, bing, boom, bow. Son, get you some of that. Check that out. It's easy.
You got that?
Yep. Slip this guy in.
Yeah. Sick. That is a mod right there.
That looks way better.
Yeah, it looks way better. It's the little things, you know?
It's the little things in life.
You just gotta do the little extra detail work.
Here we go.
All right.
Black billet Damon Motorsports dipstick.
Drop it in.
Watch it not fit right here. Tell you what,
That ain't coming out.
that is not coming out. Oh,
Maybe she just needed a little oil
Yeah.
around the O-rings.
it did. I should have, done that before.
Yeah, you just stuck her in dry.
Oh, look at that. That looks a lot better. DM me. Don't DM me. Does it get better than that? It doesn't. Except the root beer bone would get better.
Gosh. It's almost like we need to do a root beer bone run.
Should we?
It's possible.
We got our bums.
Donut bugger.
We're about to be back in action. It's 4 o'clock. I can't believe I'm ripping a 4 o'clock bum, dude.
You kidding me, dude? This is nothing.
This is crazy.
I'm ready to rip a 6:30 bum.
Let's go, dude.
Live action.
Live action. We'll be right back.
Double thumbs up.
Hot chicken, hot chicken. What combo are you picking? I didn't get near as far as I thought, but that's just how it goes.
Right.
Every time.
We were busy cooking ribeyes and drinking bums today.
We really jerked around a lot today.
Yeah.
So I didn't even get the wiring specialties in, but I got a full plan for how it's gonna go. Only this much has to go to the front of the car. So it's not very much at all. And then the Gen Sport harness is in. Just gotta order a couple more sensors and stuff. We got our big billet dipstick. I do got some stuff plugged in. You know, just doing it our way.
That's right.
Or the highway.
Highway.
And you're gonna be hitting the highway later.
That's
Go
right.
home.
I sure will be.
Life is the highway.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna drive it my way. All night long. What else, dude? What else? I got the flex fuel sensor all plugged in. I don't have any zip ties, so that's why everything's kind of just, you know,
Hanging out.
hanging out my way.
That's right.
And
It's getting close to a fire up. That's what I'm thinking.
yeah, we're really close to a fire up. The wiring specialties harness will be cake work, and then connecting them together should be cake work. Because we got all our gym sports stuff right there, nice and labeled. Bam! Check
Bam.
that out.
Bam, bam.
And it's just as simple as connecting this to the fuse box, which will be connected to the wiring specialty stuff. Grounding all the stuff, tucking it all nicely. And then we put carpet in, fluids in. We'll do the fluids first and the start first, obviously. But,
Yeah.
you know,
Then it'll be time to drive or.
I don't see why we shouldn't be able to start this in the next 2 videos.
Right. I agree.
Next 2.
Next 2. So not the next one, but the next one.
Hold us to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless we do an FRS video first.
Could fill it in.
So maybe 3 videos.
Yeah. It'll-
Everything has to go perfect for 2 videos.
right.
No more missing parts.
Unless they get 1,000 likes on this video, then we have to start it up.
1,000 likes. Yeah, so if we get 1,000 likes
On this video.
on this one right here, we'll have it started next video.
Yeah.
I like that actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we get 1,000 likes this video, we'll start this next video.
Yeah. That's a good, because you'll just have to fucking get her done.
Just grind it out.
Yeah.
I
no
mean,
matter what.
we're gonna be held responsible.
Yeah. So.
And if we don't get 1,000, it is what it is, you know?
Yeah. We'll still be happy.
We're working our way up to 1,000.
Yeah. Yeah. We need 100 first, but 1,000. 1,000 to get her done next
Dude, we need
video.
50 first.
Yeah.
Or 40.
40.
Or 30. I mean, 25's been kind of.
Yeah. Come on, guys.
Don't need it.
Come on.
All right.
You're
We can't rip
watching
them
it.
anymore.
Yeah.
We gotta be nice.
We're not ripping them.
We're not.
We're just asking for a little support, you know? 300 views is 300 chances for a like.
300 chances to win that Taco Bell gift card.
That's coming in the next video.
I do have a Taco Bell gift card I was doing a giveaway on. When I get to 10,000, yeah. Giving away a little shirt and Taco Bell gift card.
$5 Taco Bell gift card.
No, dude, I think it's like 25 bucks.
That's a good deal.
Yeah. So, you know, you could win a Taco Bell gift card by subscribing.
Get you a chalupa.
There it is. For everyone wanting to look at the details, ignore where the wires are.
It's a good pan.
Look at that though.
This guy has a built-in gimbal.
Built in.